Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Java compiler from the command line and also retrieve the command line arguments. Okay, let's get started. So all you need to do is just go to the start, this window icon over your lower left hand corner on your screen, click on it. From the search box, type in CMD show for the command. Okay, once the command line window pop up, okay, then you can change the size of the window if you want to. Okay, I prefer to use the 12 by 16 setup or layout of my screen. Okay, so again, you pick whatever layout you like. All right, and then I'm going to compile my Java code. So when I type in Java C, press enter key, you can see that there's an error over there. No big deal, okay, no big deal. Okay, just use the window, just use the combination key, window and E, press both keys at the same time. Then you can see that the Windows file explorer showed up. Okay, again the key combination will be window and E. Okay, window and keyboard E. Okay, and then go to C drive. Okay, I'm using Windows 7. Okay, so the Java compiler will be installed over program files. Okay, and then Java. Okay, there you go. Okay, Java folder. And then I'm going to use the JDK version 1.8. Okay, so let me double click on it, and then remember, the executable file will be stored over the bin. Okay, directory stands for binary, and then look for the file. Okay, Java C. There you go. Okay, you find it, and then just click this path. Okay, over here, use window combination key Control C. Okay, let me repeat again. Control C to copy the path. Okay, and then go back to your command prompt over here, and then type in set path equal to percentage sign path another percentage sign, and then add a semicolon. Okay, remember, add a semicolon, and then now you can use paste. Okay, the paste have to go through the step over here. Okay, click this icon over here from the edit window. Okay, then select paste. Okay, so there you go. So this one will set up your path to the Java's compiler. Okay, and then let me press the enter key. So now if I try Java C, then you can see that I can compile whatever Java source code, no problem. Okay, then assume that I have a directory created called my Java. Okay, created, and then assume I'm going to create a new file called uh, command args, command line arguments. So let me use Notepad. Again, you can use any type of text editor if you want to. So let me use the built-in text editor from Windows 7. So it'll be Notepad, and then let me call the file command command args.java. Okay, so the notepad will open a file for you. Okay, will open a file for you, and then to save time, I have typed in some of the simple code already. Okay, so you just need to type in this public class command args, and then the body of the main function is pretty simple. Okay, it's just hello, hello world. Okay, and then now to compile it, then I can just switch back to my command line, and then type in Java C, and then the class file. Okay, class file command args.java. Okay, Java. Okay, make sure that the file name is the same as your class name. Okay, otherwise the compiler might give you some trouble. Okay, so again, the class name is command args, and then my file name is called command args as well. So let me compile the file. Okay, so you can see that once it's compiled, Okay, everything okay, then a file called command args.class, okay, will be created. And then now I can run the program by using Java, okay, command gs, okay, and then there's no need to put the file extension the class, okay, there, okay, and then run it, and you can see that there you go. Okay, so here's the output. Okay, hello world. Okay, right, exactly the same like the statement I put in the main method. Okay, and then now, okay, I'm going to, okay, show you how to use the, okay, command line arguments. So assume that, okay, I'm going to add this statement, okay, into my existing source code. Okay, so there you go. Again, to save time, I will just get copy and paste. Okay, you can type the code if you want to, and then go to file, okay, from the notepad, and then click save. Okay, and then now I can use the, okay, keyboard, get up arrow key to circle, circle through the command I have typed, okay, a moment ago. So this will be the compiler. Okay, and then let me press the enter key. There we go. Okay, so now, okay, I can run, okay, the Java file. Okay, so this will be the Java, and then I'm going to run the class file. Okay, so let me move it up a little bit and press enter. So you can see that, okay, in the code it say that, okay, the number of arguments from, okay, these, okay, arguments, okay, from the main method, okay, it shows, okay, the length is 0. Okay, the reason is that, okay, after the uh, class file, okay, I did not put anything, but now if I put, okay, they say assume I'm going to, okay, create a file. Okay, I'm going to attach the file. Okay, not attach, I have a file available, is called a score. Okay, for example, okay, scores.txt. Then I can put it after the command arguments, and then we press enter right now. Then you can see that, okay, now it say that the number of, okay, arguments, okay, after my file, okay, in this case, okay, will be 1. Okay, will be 1 because this scores.txt. Similarly, I can add one more. I can say, hey, I mean, how about calculate the average, okay, average erg.txt, okay, from the input file scores.txt, and then now, okay, it will show, okay, I have 2 arguments. Okay, so again, to retrieve those arguments, okay, all you need to do is just, okay, you can use a simple for loop, okay, like this. Okay, let me do a little bit indentation, okay, so it will look better. Yeah, there you go. And then again, okay, to save it, okay, to save it. And then now I have to compile the program again. And then I can run, okay, the example, okay, with 2 arguments here. Okay, so let me run it. So you can see that, okay, the arguments, okay, with value index 0 will store, okay, my first, okay, uh, input, okay, file over here, and then argument 1, okay, with array index 1, okay, will store the value, okay, of this file. Okay, so again, okay, it's quite long on the video already, so we'll just stop here. All right, have fun, and then, okay, have a good time. Okay, by the way, okay, after you close the command prompt, okay, if you want to, okay, do the same again, you might have to go through the process, okay, again, setting up the path. There are ways, okay, to permanently set the path, but then I'm not going to get into it, okay, right now. All right, have a good day.